It is a national disaster, a kind of a contagious disease which got spread over in China. Within 15 days of time, it made them to make this as an international kind of the emergency which they declared. It was like long back again. To be frank with you, if you look at China is a communist country. That means this particular disease would have been reported long back. It was not December. It might be somewhere October 2019. But they inform how, and that is how it happened to be. Many more people that traveled from one to a number of the the countries all across the globe. That is how it got spread. So the public health emergency was declared internationally by WHO, and that was on 11 February 2020. Understand, my dear friends, in India we noticed one particular patient of corona. The COVID name was not given that time. Okay. This particular patient was reported in Karnataka, and this particular person was also recently he was a person who was working somewhere in Saudi Arabia, and he had come to the Karnataka for the sake of enjoying his holidays, and it happened to be like he was reported as a corona. COVID was given the name COVID-19 in almost I think, if I'm not wrong, in the month of end of the February 2020. So what I'm saying again, the lessons from this COVID-19, the very first lesson again, elimination of that particular, the overconfidence. We all of us are always overconfident. We feel like कि मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. Leadership is kind of a joke. Entrepreneurship is also a joke. We do not understand. We just plug in somewhere. We just try to, without understanding the business, we try to do something. Do it, no problem. But first, as it off, like I said in my initial, the beginning of the program, understand those 3 S. Unless you understand those 3 S, 1S, 2S, 3S, self-assessment, self-actualization, self-realization, you may not be able to proceed further systematically, my dear friends. Because you have to have that mindset again. Positive, confident, yes, you can do it. Courageous, adventurous, yes, you can take decisions, delegations properly. नहीं तो हम लोग क्या देखते हैं आज तक, हम लोग क्या देखा है हम लोगों ने, वही आदमी है, सब कुछ वही कर रहा है 24/7. He himself, he is preparing the invoices, he is preparing the proposal, he himself also sitting somewhere in the reception, right? Again he is going back to the accounts, again he is going to the customers, taking customer feedback. No, my dear friends, you have to do something differently. And what is that difference? That we will be discussing in our course. That different kind of a coaching which I will be sharing with you. It is not that easy. Again, my dear friends, the way I am saying since last 6 years, going up to one particular level, coming back to zero, right? Bouncing back differently, and then developing my own 7 businesses. Yes, today. And running those 7 businesses successfully is something different. That can be only done by the proper way of strategic transformational management system.